Mama, don't be running away. We're doing stuff on your car.
Yeah, I know.
All right, we're checking the AC on Mama's car. And I'm playing with my new Power Probe wireless Temp probe. What? This works. I was talking about my AC machine. It doesn't work. I got to put the seals in it. So, our ambient right now is 79.3 degrees. That's this sensor right here. Sensor 2, which I have in the driver's side vent here. We have 53.6 degrees out of the vent, which is okay, but not enough. And then sensor 1, which is in this one over here. Hi, Mama. Sensor 1. We have 75.9 degrees. So that's telling me, well, obviously, we're a little low on refrigerant too, but we might have a mode door or blend door issue. But we're gonna go ahead and get our pressures up to where they need to be and go from there. So we put a little refrigerant in it. Ambient temp. And then there is sensor 1, which is the one on the passenger side. It's 48 degrees. Sensor 2 is 43.2. I'd say that's pretty good. It's dropping too. That's cool. But we'll call this good.